How to create a playlist on Spotify. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add or create a playlist on Spotify. So first thing, just head over to your Spotify application and make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. So just tap on this your library section at the bottom of your screen, bottom center. So once you're inside here, as you can see, there is no any recent playlist which is only liked songs over here. So to create a playlist, all you have to do is just click on this plus icon at the top right, and once you click on it, just click on this playlist at the first section and just give it a name. So I'll just give it my playlist just like this, and I will also give one. So just click on create, and as you can see, it has been added. So just like that, I've successfully added the new playlist over here. And now to start building your playlist, you can simply click on this add to this playlist button over here and simply start adding all of the songs that you like on this playlist just like this. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.